Hi guys, this is Nishitha and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be one of the most cutest hauls that I've ever done. Now, I shop from Miniso online, yes. Now, Amazon has this Miniso store wherein you can shop all their products and I did exactly the same. And I shopped quite a lot of stuff which I'm going to be showing you in today's video. I shopped skincare, makeup, home decor and a lot of other stuff. So without any further delay, let's just see all the cute stuff that I got from Miniso. Before we begin, let me tell you that I've left the links to all the products that I'm going to be showing you in today's video in the description box. So make sure you check it out. First off, I got two perfumes. Now let me first talk about this one. This one's called the Blissful Bouquet and oh my god, it smells amazing. It's only priced at 360 rupees and the packaging is just so luxurious. Just look at how beautiful it looks. This has got a floral kind of scent and is not too heavy and not too much out there, just the perfect, mild scent, perfect for summers. I feel super excited to use this one. Then we have this one which is called the Joey Portable Perfume Winter Secret. I suppose Winter Secret is the variant. Now this one's a travel friendly perfume, so you can just pop it in your purse or your handbag and you're good to go. So this is how it looks, and this is got mostly like an aqua fragrance, perfect for summers and also can be used by men as well, because this is a little on the stronger side. So if you're somebody who has sinus problems, then I would not suggest this one for you. But yeah, this one's the next one that I picked up and this was priced at rupees 200. They had a lot of perfumes available, but the main reason why I picked these two up is this one I picked up for its floral scents, and this one's because it's got like a fresh aqua scent. I could read that in the description and I thought these two would suit me. Next up, we have one more thing in the perfume category, but this one's like an air freshener. Now this is in the scent sea salt, but look at the packaging, guys, so cute. I was so impressed. Now you can put this in your washroom or your hall or your bedroom, wherever you want it. Like I mentioned, this is in the fragrance sea salt. It's very mild, not too much out there. This consists of essential oil, so which is great. It also creates like a calming effect. So yeah, and this is how it looks on the inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a few pores right here, close this one up and then place it in my wardrobe probably. Also, this is like a 190 gram pack and I was so impressed at how affordable this is. I got this only for rupees 140. Again, they had a lot of other flavors in this, but I thought I would go for sea salt, which is more like a neutral fragrance. Then we have another one in the fragrance category, if I may say, but yeah, this is the Miniso candle in the famous flavor Vanilla Latte. Now, I've been eyeing to get this from a really long time and I'm so happy I finally got it. And guys, this smells heavenly. I've not lit it yet. I thought I'll finish the video and then light it up. I'm going to also provide a mini review on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. But for the quality of this outer packaging and the quantity, I think this is really affordable. I got this only for rupees 190, which I think is a great deal. Now let's move on to skincare. The first product that I got is this facial brush. Now how cute does it look? It's got like a two-sided thing. Here you have like a brush and then on the back side it's like a silicone brush again. This is great when you want to exfoliate your skin using your cleanser or your face wash. This is very soft and gentle and I don't think it will create any irritation on your skin at all. And I totally fell for how it looks. It is just such a cute little thing and this was priced at 260 rupees. Now if you're somebody who's suffering from tiny little bumps on your forehead or uneven skin texture, then I would absolutely suggest you guys to try this out, because this helps in exfoliating, which means it will help you remove all your dead skin cells. Plus the bristles of this brush are super light, so I think it will also give you a very relaxing effect while you wash your face. But yeah, this is super cute and I had to get this. Then we have these three in the makeup category. Let me first start off with this one. Now this is called the mushroom shaped makeup blender. I've been wanting a good makeup blender from a really long time, and I wanted to give it a try. This has great reviews online. Also, it looks so cute, and this is very spongy, soft and nice, so I cannot wait to try this out. You can use this for your foundation, your concealer, or just for, you know, loose powder. I think it works great because of its quality, and this was priced only at rupees 190, which I thought was great. And look at how cute is this, and I could not resist myself from buying this. Then we have another beauty blender. Now I had to get this because of the amazing reviews it had. This is the original shaped one, like the other beauty blenders that you get in the market, but this comes in a case like this, and yeah, this is how it looks. Super excited to try this one out as well. Looks good, the feel of it is good, but cannot wait to see how it works on my skin. And this was priced at 200 rupees. Then we have a foundation brush. Now this is priced at 190 rupees, and this is from this macaron series. Now I'm somebody who does not do regular makeup. I do it once in a while if I want to try something out, or you know, if I want to experiment on myself, then only that's when I try out makeup. So I don't want to invest in very costly or high-end brushes. So I think Miniso provides very affordable options when it comes to makeup or skincare tools, and that is why I wanted to try this one out. Now this is a foundation brush, like I mentioned, and the bristles of this are super soft. I don't know how it would blend in. I cannot wait to try this out, but yeah, I'm gonna give you a review on my Instagram. So yeah, again, make sure you follow me there. I feel like they had like a lot of makeup brushes. They had eyeshadow brushes, concealer brushes and all that, but I wanted to, you know, particularly try out their foundation brush. Again, this has great reviews online, so yeah, super pumped to try this one out. Then we have a really cute hairband. Now I've been wanting a hairband wherein I can, you know, put my hair all up when I'm doing my skincare. I have the regular ones, but you know, here and there the hair still tends to fall on my face, so I wanted something of this sort. Plus it's so cute. So yeah, I am a sucker for cute things, and I really wanted to get one, and I finally got it on Miniso. So this was priced only at rupees 150, and they also had another color option in this. I think they had something in blue, but I thought this would look really cute, and I got this. Let me open it and show you guys. This is how it looks, and oh my god, it is just so soft. Like it's soft as a baby's butt, not even kidding. Like really soft, and I think it's going to be super comfortable. So let me try it out right now. I don't think I'm wearing it in the right way. I'm gonna try this out later on, put my hair up, and then maybe give it a try. Otherwise it's going to spoil my hair completely now, which I don't want. But yeah, this is the next piece that I got. The last piece that we have here is a storage box. Now this is how it is going to look. I'm yet to assemble this, but if I do, I will make sure to include a picture here. So this is how it looks. So this is like a 2-drawer storage box. You can put your makeup, skincare, or even your undergarments, socks, or anything of that sort. It's super cute. So the length is going to be 20, the breadth is going to be 22, and the height is also going to be 22. So the material of this is polyester 80% and cotton 20%. I cannot wait to use this and let you guys know how this looks. I think they had another color option in this, which was gray, and they also had storage boxes with just one drawer like this, but I thought this would be more useful to me, and I picked this up, and this was priced at 490 rupees. So those are all the products that I picked from the Miniso online store on Amazon. They have some really cute and affordable stuff. Make sure you check it out. Also, I've left the product links to all these in the description box below, so make sure you check that out as well. With that, I'm going to end today's video right here. I hope you had fun watching it. Let me know in the comment section below which was your most favorite item from the haul. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram for some more fun content. I will see you super soon in my next one. Until then, bye.